How's it going, guys? Welcome to another video. We're going to be going over Tesla stock split and how to make money on it. So Tesla, as we can see on our screen at the $279 price point, they recently announced a 5-for-1 stock split, and as a result, the Tesla stock has dropped in price, while the market cap overall of the company is still the same. So this allows people with a little less capital to play Tesla, whether buying shares, playing options, because remember, option contracts are going to be cheaper as well. It just allows a lot more flexibility between a whole range of investors. So selling puts is a great way to make money from Tesla stock, whether the stock price is rising or falling. Because when you sell a put, you're giving the buyer the right to sell you shares of Tesla stock at a set price, the strike price. So if we go over to our options chain on Tesla, we can go to sell, put, we'll choose our expiration date. For this example, we'll do say September 16th, which is expiring in 2.5 weeks. So we can choose our strike price right here. And remember, you are going to need a few $10,000 of collateral. It's going to be the strike price times 100, just in case you do end up getting assigned shares. If the stock price falls below your strike price, you may be assigned shares to buy 100 shares at the strike price. But if the stock price stays above the strike price, you keep the premium and you can repeat the process, collecting nice income week over week or however long your expiration dates are. In this case, it would be every 2 weeks. So let's head over to a nice example here. If you think Tesla is going to stay above $260 per share by 2 weeks, which is September 16, we can go ahead and sell this option. So the chance of profit right here will be 75%. It's just a prediction. And we do need a movement from $278 below 260 in order to get assigned shares. So for this example, we're collecting $570 of premium, which is about a little over 2% return. We want to say about almost 2.5% return in 2 weeks. So if you do that every 2 weeks for the rest of the year, that is going to be about a 50% return. Pretty nice, and especially since that's beating the market. So for this example, we're going to need $26,000 of collateral. And as we can see, I don't have enough buying power right now, but once I free up some capital, I am going to continue selling some cash care puts on Tesla. I currently have one for September 3rd, selling it at like a 240 strike. But for this example, you're collecting $570 of credit on $26,000 of collateral, which is over 2% return in 2 weeks. So this is one way why a lot of people like stock splits, because if Tesla was back at $800, $900 per share, a lot of people just could not sell cash geared puts just because you would need almost 6 figures of collateral in order to sell a single put. But with this, the entry is going to be a lot lower, so a lot of people are able to sell some cash geared puts on Tesla. And it's also better for people just starting out. If you have $1,000, you could buy like almost 4 shares of Tesla. So that's pretty great. Whereas previously, you could only buy 1 share. So as we can see, I have about 6 shares of Tesla in my portfolio. It is at a pretty high cost basis, but I didn't put too much money in. It's only like $1,600 worth of Tesla. So we're definitely going to be watching Tesla for selling some cash care puts. Very, very nice strategy. Very nice way to make income. If say you have a 6-figure portfolio, and we use the example, you would be easily making $2,000 every single month by selling cash secured puts. Um, Sorry, you would make $4,000 every single month if you had a 6-figure portfolio. Because let's go back to our examples. September 16, and a $260 strike. if we sold 4 of these, that would give us credit of 2,000, just over $2,000. And our collateral is going to be 6 figures, 104,000. And if we did this 2 times, if we did this 2 times in a month, that would give us $44,400 of credit every single month. So if you have a 6 figure portfolio, if you have $100,000 of collateral, you could definitely continue doing this every other week, and $4,000 is definitely enough to live on. It's not going to make you rich as long as you do steady, consistent profits. That's the best way going forward with Tesla stock. Thanks for watching.